What's good with y'all today? Y'all probably wondering why y'all can't see my face. Hold up. I might look at all the pairs today. I don't know yet. I don't even know yet. I kind of just want to stick to GU and UJ today. But yeah, I don't got my face cam on because my fucking hair look crazy as shit. And I got my windows open and shit. My curtains open and I'm trying to fuck with the light, man. I like the natural light coming through. I don't like the regular light on my lamp and shit. I don't know, that shit depressing to me. Let's look at what the fuck GU doing. Okay, I do kind of want to see a bit more of a retracement from us. From right here. I do want to see a bit more of a retracement on the weekly. But I also want to see us reach for this level right here. But I don't know if that's going to be this week. I like this order block though, with the fair value gap right above it. The fair value gap right here, boom. It's real small, but I like that right there. I'm gonna make this a different color, like orange or some shit. So I want to see us drop more into here. We did fill this fair value gap and we had a rejection off of that. As you can see, we tapped that line. Okay, so... Oh, I barely made it today. I forgot. I think I said it. If I don't make it by 7:45, I'm not trading no more. Like, I'm not trading that day. I'm gonna adjust this a little bit since we can see on the daily. The high is right there. But I do expect us to come down to this little south side level right here. Maybe not today, but in general. We also reacted to this, as you can see. And we already coming up, which is interesting. I think we come up to this buy side area and then dump to these little areas. We might come up to the previous day high. I don't know. Oh yeah, you can see. This is my next draw right here. Cause you can see we swept these lows. I actually really like this right now. And we got this fair value gap right here. It looks like it already got filled. No, I didn't. We still got a little bit of space up there. I'm gonna show y'all right now. See that tiny little gap? It still exists. So, yeah, I want to see us come up and take this buy side level. It will feel good to be back on the charts, I ain't gonna lie. This weekend, I really ain't been on. I ain't gonna lie, I usually put in like from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, if you add that up collectively, I'm usually on the charts for like 20 hours over the weekend, at least. Because I usually do about 3-4 hours on Friday night. Then I do about At least 8 hours on Saturday and 12 hours on Sunday. Not even bullshitting with y'all. Like, that's really what I be doing. And this weekend, I literally did about 4 hours in total. I'm talking about when it come to watching videos and it come to back testing, I probably did 4, maybe 5 hours this weekend. So, like, I really ain't do shit, bro. You feel me? I ain't did shit. Okay, and we just swept this level. I think it's possible that we come back down here, but I also wouldn't be surprised if we went from here, like we went straight up to take that buy side area. Today I'm bullish though, just because of the lower time frame structure. Boy, it be taking me forever to find my templates. Yeah, I want to see these highs too, right here. But this is my ultimate area. I want to make this color a little bit more visible. Just cause you can't even see the line on this motherfucker. 1.26138. Man, I was laying in bed like I really don't want to get up. I really don't want to look at the charts, but I got up and I'm glad I did. Man, it really be a struggle sometimes, bro. Like, I really don't want to do this shit. But you gotta remember where the fuck where the fuck this shit gonna take you. Like, bro, you gotta do this, bro. You gotta remember your why. Sometimes you don't even be thinking about that shit, but you really gotta remember, bro. Yeah, I wanna see us retrace down into here and then start to push back up. Yeah. Cause we just took out this buy side. I'm looking for some liquidity in this area. Yo, perfect. Literally perfect. Yo, what if I only looked at GU today? Would that be crazy? And I gotta use Hanko Trade, new goddamn platform. Don't nobody wanna do that. Is this a breaker? Does this classify as a breaker? I mean, technically it do, don't it? And we got an inverse right here. Alright, let me write down what I think about you. Why the hell are you so big? No, pause. Man, all weekend, all I've been doing is watching, actually, I ain't gonna say all weekend. Really just Saturday and yesterday. All I was doing was watching That Was Epic. I don't know if y'all know who that is, a YouTube channel, bro, be giving out money and shit like that. And all I was doing was envisioning myself doing that shit, bro. That's really what I want to do. I love giving to people, bro. When I see homeless people, I be giving them all types of... You're not supposed to be giving them money, but I do be giving them money, bro. I give them food, I give them water. I remember one time I gave this homeless lady, I don't even know if she was homeless, she was just begging. She had a sign up talking about her kids and some other shit. Now the crazy thing about that, I walked up to her and I started speaking Spanish to her because I thought she was Hispanic, bro. And she just looked at me crazy. And my Spanish ain't even good. Like, I'm not fluent in that shit. I just really like that shit. And I was learning it heavy. Like, Spanish was one of my passions for a while. And so I was just trying to see if she spoke Spanish. Yeah. And what's it called, bro? No, I wasn't trying to see if she spoke Spanish. I assumed she did. I started speaking Spanish and shit, and she was just looking at me like crazy as hell. And I was embarrassed as fuck. But I gave her $100, and I was gonna give her 100 as soon as I seen her. I don't even think I had a job back then. I don't even know how I had $100, bro. Like, I'm really trying to think. How did I even have that shit? Where did I get it from? Must have been Christmas time. I think it was cold outside, but yeah, I gave her $100. I didn't even have like 200, bro. Like, I always been the person to give. I always try to find a way to give. Like, and I always justify it by like, this person probably needed more than me. Even though I'm finna use it for something that's good, I'm about to invest in, I'm about to do this and the third. I'ma always make the money back somehow. So that's always my motto, not my motto, my mindset when I'm giving people money. Hold up, before I get into all this talking and shit, let me write this shit down, bro. Man, tomorrow is gonna be my 7th. Wait, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be my 7th month anniversary since I took my first goddamn demo trade, bro. Ain't that so beautiful? So beautiful, right? Oh yeah, I think ain't this the high from the previous days? We might come all the way up into here, bro. Nah, it's this. Yeah, this is okay, and this is the high from yesterday. This BSL level is the high from yesterday, so I do expect that. But we could also just come straight down and take out this level and then go up. I don't expect that at all, though. I really don't expect that at all. Wait, hold on. Yeah, I don't expect that at all. I expect us to take this out and then maybe continue down. It was sucking my bias was wrong and I'm only looking at this pair. That shit would be ass. But that's okay. We'll be alright. This shit ain't even closed yet, so I shouldn't really be marking this out, but technically this is an imbalance regardless. Yeah, I don't see us coming up and coming all the way back down here. I do see us coming down here and then bouncing up to come and take out this high and at least this high for the rest of this imbalance. And then we maybe come down into these areas. Maybe then we come down to this sell side level. But I'm very bullish at the moment. After we sweep this level. Obviously I need to see some reactions, but let me open up Ag Trader. Market just open. Used by another process. What does that mean? Oh, fuck that. I'm pretty sure it's a JPY holiday today anyways. Oh, it's not. Huh. Okay. The shit I fucking hate about Hanko Trade's new platform, the shit I absolutely despise is that there's no goddamn. Bro, there's literally no, the fuck is going on with this? Yo, what the fuck? Oh my god. This shit is slow as fuck. Can you please stop acting fucking retarded? Please. Oh my god, bro. This shit about to blow me, bro. Y'all don't even understand. I'm not even touching my mouse right now. This is like y'all niggas get kicked off Meditator for, and now y'all using this slow ass platform. Bro, what the fuck is going on, bro? When I used this shit the other day, it was not this slow at all. Or is it my laptop? It can't be my laptop. Look, this shit still work fine. Bro. Bro, this shit is fucking... Bro, just close this fucking window. The fucked up thing about this shit is you can't even... It doesn't have a mobile app for U.S. citizens, bro. I tried to download the fucking app for your phone. See, look at this shit, bro. I tried to download the app for my phone and that shit just did not work. It said this shit is not supported in your country. Bro, this shit is finna blow me. Like, get the fuck off my screen, bro. God damn, bro. If I can't trade today, I swear to God, I'm switching brokers, bro. I'm not even playing. I'm finna pull all my money out of Hanko trade. I'm finna put them in something else. If this shit keep acting retarded. This is shit that makes me so angry, bro. I'm not gonna lie, like. Let me calm down, stop complaining and shit. This shit was literally not this slow when I was trying to fuck with it the other day. And that was literally the slowest shit I've ever seen in my life. See, this up here ain't too bad. But where the fuck is my charts at? Oh, let me just go to charts, bro. Alright, we gonna stay on you. But what if we really supposed to be measuring from here to here? Yeah, that could be the case. That could be the case, that we coming all the way down here. So I'm not gonna leave that out the equation. Oh, we got this. Oh. Got you right here too. Got you right here too. 5 minute demand zone. But we chilling in that motherfucker. I don't like that. And I don't like how we just straight up close below this. If we keep getting the move, I need to see something quick coming back up. Or else I'm not even gonna have no confidence in this. In this sweep, I should say. I'm really only looking at one pair, bro. This is crazy. I need to get up earlier, bro. Well, I'm just ready to be profitable in this bitch, bro. Let me see what the fuck this is.
This is Hotel Transylvania. All of our monster friends are right here. Some of you, if you clicked on this video, God wanted you to see this. It's not a mistake. It's not an accident.
Well, this is a surprise. Coming outside this morning, I wasn't expecting all this. What a beautiful, beautiful morning.
And then they got a nice little house.
Well, this is a surprise.
So we did kind of respect that the man's and we filled in the fair value gap. We did not close below it at all. So that's cool. I said the man's order block. But why are we still chilling down here is my question. We shouldn't really be still chilling down here, so we might want to keep pushing lower. We got this fair value gap. If we start pushing back up, I need to see some type of displacement through this, but it doesn't even look like we pushing back up right now. Just took out these lows right here. Also, let me go to right now we above midnight open, which is some shit I just don't enjoy at all. I'm just not cool with that shit. We might come all the way back down and sweep London lows, bro. We might come all the way back down here before we see these highs up here. I just don't see why we would do that. Well, I do see why we would do that. That's kind of why I'm irritated. I'm not irritated. There's no reason to be mad about this shit. But, what's it called? Right now, this is looking like a Judas swing. We might just push all the way down for that day, but I don't think that's the case. I do want to see this buy side level and this one up here as well. But if we're going to see higher today, then the Judas swing would be if we came down here. Because we got to come below this low. But we don't always have a Judas swing. And we could come up and take this level and then just push down for the rest of the day and close below here. So I could be catching a trade during the Judas swing. So, I don't know. we got to see how price moves right now. Where I need to stop analyzing every candlestick as it's forming, because I was just saying it looks like we're pushing down and now we're rejecting it. So I think I'd be a little quick to do that.
This audio presentation of The Secret of Gold, How to Get What You Want by Robert Collier is brought to you by audioenlightenment.com. Copyright 2013.
That's my message to Online Fix if you're still watching. If you go to a Wanda account and you profit with the Wanda account with your signals, I will publicly make a video saying, I am sorry, you are actually a profitable trader. I will say that in a video. If you're profitable there, I'll publicly give you the news. With everything that happened, I do have a confession to make, which is
Fuck it. And I'm sparring this week too, bro. All right. I like how that candle closed.
some things have been going on, a bit more pressure, but everything's good. So let's go straight into it. Obviously, right now we have this incredible video that's gone absolutely viral, where you're taking Lambo faces. Now I watched the video, and I have a very balanced point of view. I went into it watching it, thinking not that I didn't have any expectation, and I thought personally a very balanced video, but some people online, it's very interesting. It's a polarizing video, right? Yeah. So you're going to get one on either side. But me personally, I think it was a great job. Well done personally, but the sort of reaction we're seeing online to some people are really congratulating it, saying it's a great video. Some people saying, oh, you should have done that, you should have done this. What are your thoughts? I think, I've thought about this after the video went viral and I started getting a lot of traction, a lot of hate comments, a lot of positive comments. I thought, after getting the backlash, I thought, was this a good video? And the conclusion that I came to is that, yes, the reason why that was the conclusion is because I was unbiased. I did not manipulate any results. I did not manipulate his results. And the reality is that, yes, maybe I was expecting to be negative. That's true. But I did not make it seem as if Mama wasn't. I did not manipulate any results. I recorded everything, every single signal. I showed every on the charts. Every time I took a trade, every time I exited a trade, I showed TP1, TP2, everything. Then I just made it entertaining. Now, obviously, there's this conflict because if I want to make a video entertaining, I need to get people hooked. So the reality is that you need to come up with problems that are always coming up. That's why the line that went viral, he edited the signal, was something that I knew I had to use because it is going to be so polarizing that it's going to make people watch the video. But in reality, after all of this drama, after everything that has been said, I still believe and I still stand for what I made in the video. Is it polarizing? Yes. That's why it went so viral. But the reality is that it was unbiased in terms of results, biased in terms of opinion, true, but unbiased in terms of results. Because of that, I'm fine with the video. That's it. Well, after watching the video, you didn't hate the guy. You didn't say, no one go do this, and this guy's fake, even though he made profitable signals, for example. You didn't say any of that. So I still don't get why he would be mad, for example, or anyone would be mad, because at the end of the day, he just got free promotion, if anything. And again, you used yes to hook. But at the end of the day, that's one version of a hook. Another version could be, stick around, I'm going to give away some iPads and laptops. That's another version of it. You know, nothing wrong with these hooks. That's just the nature of the online space.
Yeah.
It's like giveaway counts for profit.
Yeah.
It's another version of a hook or a way to get engagement. And some people might not agree with any of these things. Hooks wise though, that is the bread and butter of social media.
Yeah.
That's exactly how Impulsive will you do things. That's exactly how KSI will make a video. That's exactly how Mr. Beast will make a video. The hook at the very beginning of I'm gonna drop a train into a ditch.
Yeah.
But that's the hook.
Yeah.
Right? And some people understand that.
I want to see as close above this bearish for value got.
It's very interesting to me. Plus, at the end of the day, he did that in the single.
That's the next step.
And one thing I would say in terms of what I took away, because I commented on the video, I said, look, the red flags that can stick out to me from any person doing signals, like if there's no stop loss being set, if your TPs are like straight away as well. Because at the end of the day, if there's no stop loss set, what happens? That means you can't really navigate your risk to reward because there's no risk in the first place. The risk is completely open-ended. And if your TP is like after 10 points or 20 points, when you've got no stop loss, there's no element of risk. The reality is that you have to take it apart, right? Who are you? You're an experienced trader who knows what they're doing, knows the industry. Who are most of the people who take signals? The complete opposite. Absolute newbies who really want to hand it off and think that it's going to work for the most part, right? And therefore, they're not going to have that same, and plus you're making a video, so you were purposely making sure that any train that came through, you were there to take it, while most people just aren't ready. So therefore, the reality for people who are actually signing up to these things, the reality is most of them won't know what they're doing, especially if they're not giving any guidance on risk, right?
Yeah.
So that's going to be the issue on that side. But again, you highlighted those, but you didn't highlight or put any negatives on the actual individual, the member itself.
Yeah. So I think the reality there is also that at the end of the video, I simply addressed the whole video. So there's obvious red flags in the signals, which is TPs are really small. That's what makes the bot, for example, that he has in order to lure people in, make sure that he seems profitable all the time because TP1 is super close and you're sending the signal as soon as market opens. That means that TP1 is inevitably going to get hit, but that doesn't matter. That doesn't mean that everyone is profitable because you don't know when people execute it. And that happened to me where he said, buy NASDAQ now, I bought. TP1 was hit, and yet TP1 was below my entry, which means that if the trade would have reversed completely,
If we close above this, that's enough confirmation along with at 825 if we're above this level and we see that we broke above this swing high with this placement, boom. I want to see us come back down into here probably. Let me see.
Because of this video, today I sent a signal with the stop loss directly. I'm like,
Yeah, I would take it at this high. I would enter at this high right here.
to the point that now people can have proper risk management, and I think that's positive.
With my stop.
What he actually said was he's not going to edit it.
Well, let's see.
Send another post with the stop loss after.
Yeah.
So they're still taking
No,
the
it's
stop loss.
it's in the stop loss he sends directly.
Yeah, I'll probably put my stop loss down here.
But I was also
First
saying that
TP
at the end of the video,
could be right here because that's a 1 to 2 already.
which is give a man a fish, feed him for a day, teach a man how to fish, feed him for life. What are signals? Signals, I'm giving you fish. And I'm like, here you go, eat. Right? Oh, I made so many people rich. First of all, did you? Second of all,
Probably TP1 right here.
because if you decide that now you don't want to trade anymore,
TP2 right here.
decide that all of a sudden you don't want to send any more signals, what are people going to do? Right? You're not teaching them anything in your signals. And that's fine in terms of business, I guess. Do whatever you want. But then my problem is that people share their lifestyle as if
Probably this will be TP3 and
when in reality it was other business.
then the last contract, my last position I'll take off up here at the 1.3 blah 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 blah.
From trading, selling a course and making $100,000 from trading from the course, and then
Is it still a 1 to 2 if I take it at this high though?
To afford $100,000 per month. That's not true. That is selling a dream. Now, if the way that I promote the course or promote my signals or whatever it is, I say,
Yeah,
here's how you can make possibly $10,000 a month.
it
Which
is.
what I do. You can follow this course. You can follow these signals, whatever. I wouldn't share signals, but it depends on how you are trying to get people involved. And that's one of the things that I don't like. It's that it's portrayed in the sense that he makes a lot of money from trading, which I don't really believe.
Honestly, nah, fuck that.
Unregulated broker. We have no
Uh.
proof that it is true. We just see MetaTrader statements. Hey, look at this. I can do that too.
6.2 pip stop. Okay.
I've been offered marketing accounts for big amounts of money, but still, I did not do it because again, it's all about having your
I'm finna risk about 20 on this trade.
If I'm going to sell something, and I'm going to sell a lifestyle that is not funded by what I'm selling, that's unrealistic. That's what I did not like about the image, and that's why.
0.32 light.
And it's true. It's true. I was biased in that sense in the video, but that did not make me not stick to my values of being truthful. Because if I really wanted to, there were, for example, 2 trades that went into super deep drawdown. I could have just said those were losses. Magically, the reporting doesn't appear, but oh, those were losses. But I did not do that. So I stick to my values by being honest on the results, and I also stick to my values when I said don't follow signals in general because you want to learn how to fish and not just be given the fish.
No, 100%, 100%, and that's why I said it's a very balanced point of view. You could have easily, if you wanted to create a very negative narrative.
I don't want to press buy because I literally have no idea how many lots there is right now. What the lot would be. I don't know. Damn, what the fuck?
There are still going to be those people who try signals, right? The interesting thing is that I found with this video that you put out today.
Alright, so we close above this. Now I'm just waiting for us to come back down in the here, but I don't know how many lots I'm doing though. I think when I press buy, it should tell me.
The right mattress makes everything clear. Exactly where my password is. The right mattress matters. We'll find yours.
But yeah, once we hit this line, I'm buying that shit.
And get a free adjustable base. Mattress Firm.
Is that he was handpicking tweets of negative against you. Now, obviously, you can sit there, I'm sure, and pull out positive tweets and handpick them. But one thing I found interesting that I checked before we did this interview was like his signal reviews. Right? I pulled them up, and all the reviews, interestingly enough, they were before the video came out. So they weren't like recent, they haven't like started going on there.
Why is this not?
But the thing is, they're all saying, not all of them, I'm sure there are some.
Okay, here we go.
The majority that are negative, which they are, because that's why it's 2.1 stars, they're saying like most of these lose, it's very similar to what you said, where it said the bot's making out as profitable, but it's actually not, and this.
Oh, that's a 5-minute fair value gap right there. We ain't close above no high though, so.
Let's think about this. If the signals are so profitable, and you can see that I did not manipulate any results, why ban me from the group? Why ban me from the group after I also can see that on Monday, after this happened, you had 3 losing trades, yet your bot still said that you were profitable? Why remove me from the group when I was unbiased in terms of the results? If you don't want me there, you don't want me to do more free publicity. If it's that good, why can't I stay there?
How'd you pay for it, right?
Yeah.
Remember, 0.32 lots.
One thing I want to ask you in terms of signals, obviously I've never been through that process, but did they provide any insight into this is how you risk?
I remember the first time, the way I came into trading was through signals.
And I remember that the signal provider also had like TP1, TP2, TP3.
Yeah.
And I had to message him like, dude, what do you mean TP1? I had no idea what that meant. And he was like, take a partial. And I'm like, what's taking a partial? Can you talk a little bit more about it? Like, I did not even know.
I don't know if y'all can hear this video I'm watching, but that's what I'm laughing at.
A portion of the position.
And I'm just waiting for you to tap into my little order block, man.
Like, I did not know that. So a lot of these beginners, how are they going to know how to manage a trade if you don't have a skill? Just think about this. I did this with a $10,000 account. Imagine someone entering in the same type of risk that I did, which was low, but on a $100 to $500 account. All of a sudden, in one trade that, let's say the first trade is a loser, they can literally lose if they don't know what lot sizes are, if they don't know what risk management is, if they don't know what a contract size is. They could literally, in one trade, one losing trade, they can lose all of it. But there's nothing there to back new traders up. Yet it's marketed to new traders.
Come on, man.
And was there any mention of like use this, recommend this broker to use or anything? Or
No,
was it just straight
no. Just signals.
That's interesting. But there's something that you mentioned in regards to like the values, for example, and like they mentioned about buying views, buying likes.
I think it will be down here, huh?
Well, with everything that happened, I do have a confession to make, which is
It's time to make the biggest announcement we've ever made on a podcast. You guys have been asking for it, and we've finally done it. We are launching the Words of Wisdom Patreon. As part of the Patreon, you're going to get every single week exclusive podcast episodes. Sense a day. And with that, you're going to join.
Alright, let's buy. .32. No, I said .32 bit.
sharing some screenshots, but I don't regret anything else because I did not buy views, I did not buy
Alright.
comments, I did not buy likes.
Open
I
1.25694.
put a lot of work into that video.
1.25694.
I finished recording it on Friday, and on Saturday I posted it. And yeah, it was a hard work, good video, good storytelling that did end up
Alright,
getting
cool.
views. Now, do I regret sharing certain
That was
screenshots?
actually within
Yes, maybe.
the 2-minute fair value gap.
To be fair, like, to what extent should I have been told that? I thought that was weird too, but to each their own.
I'm gonna go to the 5-minute
If
on
I would
here.
have to think it through, I would not share those screenshots. But I did it.
My stop gonna be down here 1.25644, but I don't know if is that this price? Hold up, we about to check.
Attacking my Instagram, and he said that I was faking all of that. No, my family was threatened. I was threatened. My
What does
Instagram
this
was
say?
taken down 4 different times. Ever since I made the video, Sunday was taken down, Monday was taken down, and Tuesday was taken down twice. Thankfully, like, it's a real Instagram, so I always punch back if there's a heading.
1.25643.
Now, the reality
Yeah,
is,
that's right.
if someone is punching me, I have to know how to punch back.
1.25.
Did I throw the first punch? Yes, of course I did. Did I take the punch back?
643.
Yes, I was willing to take the punch back. That's why he started posting the stories,
Okay.
and I was like, well, it is what it is. I guess we're talking about this. And that's why I posted the DMs, because he was
Stop.
accusing
What's
me,
half a
just
stop?
like he did on the video, he was accusing me of something that I did not do.
1.25840.
Is that I came with the bias of it wanting to be negative. All the rest was wrong. I did not review it.
840.
Anything, and I did not want to share his personal information. Not at all. Like, why would I even want to do that?
But it doesn't say
Heat of the moment,
how much for.
yes, look at the tweets, but all the rest, like, there's not much else I can do. It's a thing.
I think I'm gonna just press the sell.
Your amount of success is going to be dictated
When
by
it gets to
the amount of
TP1.
pressure you can add. And if
So the first one I'm finna take off 0.16 right here.
And it's interesting, like a lot of people haven't been in those situations of like a very heightened state, a lot of chaos going on around them.
Take off 0.16 right here. Take off 0.8 right here. Take off.
And it can be very heightened. It's so easy to just make an accidental mistake.
0.4 right here. And then
At the end of the day as well, these people who are trying to attack you, they're not attacking you for no reason, just because they're a fan of someone, right? It's because they're being instructed or told to go do this, X, Y, and Z, you know? Because like taking down Instagram, for example, costs money. It's not like a case where someone's just doing that for free out of the kindness of their heart, you know? And again, I've been there, I know this, I know the behind the scenes, and I've seen it happen time and time again. And I think you've handled yourself absolutely fine, you know? And I think, yes, mistakes can be made, but you even said...
boom, that's an 8.9, baby.
I think some people, it's very interesting because some people are like trying to say, oh, you have to do this, but speaking...
1.26138.
You know, like, when have they been in that situation? When have they been able to say, oh, you know, I would have done this better? And that's what I never understand. It's like, if it was me,
1.26138.
I mean, again, bias video-wise, you might have gone into it with
142.
You definitely didn't portray that bias, in my opinion, on the video, right? Yeah, the hook was there, but that was a true hook anyway. It's not like it was clickbait. It's like you said it, it wasn't actually in the video, or it didn't mean anything, right?
Alright, cool. I'm chilling right now. I'm not worried at all. I'm actually very, very happy with this trade. I like how I handled it. I don't know, I just like how that shit look. Followed all my rules, goddamn. Didn't rush it, didn't get in early, didn't look for something that wasn't there. Following exactly what I said would happen in my pre-market plan. So if I lose, it's really just a matter of analysis, and I would have to just make tiny little adjustments type shit. Like, if I lose this, maybe next time I need to wait for more 5-minute confirmation or something like that. Even though the 2022 mentorship says this is how you're supposed to do it, I ain't really tripping. Like, it's just little tweaks like that. I'm confident in this. It's goddamn Monday, bro. It's Monday. I gotta go to work today. Don't nobody want to go to work, bro. The volume does seem to be slowing down a little bit on the way down, but we didn't break through no type of low. We are rejecting the 2-minute fair value gap, which I'm loving right now. And yeah.
This is what I told him. So we exchanged some DMs, as we know. That's one of the reasons he got mad. We exchanged some DMs, and he said he bought views, likes, and etc. And what I've explained to people is that none of that happened. And the reason why it's been viral, and I told this you have a very polarizing social media profile. People either love you or they hate you. They know this. So
let me see.
Make a video about someone that has a huge audience, and it might be good or it might be
okay, this is a 1 to 2.3. I'm finna take my first profits over here.
The thumbnail said fraud and then question mark. That's what gets people to click because there's 50%
I'm taking my first profits there.
that want me to say that he's a fraud. There's 50% of people that want me to say he's not a fraud. Which is weird because the video ended up in the middle where both people can take it the wrong way. Yeah, that's probably why it's worse. People that hate it probably were like, why did you post it? Hate it probably said, why did you post this? Now you're showing his profitable. Yeah. While the people that love him are like, why would you post this?
Oh, yeah, it's looking good, man.
Right? But the thing is that it was such a big video because I'm basically gathering the whole audience
Y'all can't even see my face. Y'all finna be bored as fuck during this video, man. But it's all good. Hey, y'all haven't seen my last 2 trades, I don't think. I won my last trade, but I don't think y'all seen it. Cause, no, y'all definitely didn't. I took a trade on Thursday, the day before Friday NFP. We had unemployment claims that day. It was like 3 days ago. I took a trade on GU and a trade on UJ. I lost the GU trade. I won the UJ trade, and I ended up $11 on that day because I was risking about $11. I was risking 0.5%, and yeah, it was a cool little trade. But I had walked away from the charts. You know, I was just letting the video run. So I ended up having to edit the video because it was way too long. Like my TP got hit in like 30 minutes. And it was just a long ass trade, I ain't gonna lie. I mean a long ass video for no damn reason. So I come back to I think we reject off this inverse right here. Damn near wanna add some. I'm about to add like a 0.16. And now I'm finna move my stop up under here.
In-depth analytics and so much more. And the greatest part about TradeZeller is that
Yo, why you taking so long? 0.16. Whoa, what is going on, my nigga?
You can just add notes, you can add images from your trades.
I almost sold AU, bro. That shit would have been bad. 0.16. Oh, we already in there. I'm gonna put this stop.
Make sure you use the code RIZ10, 10%
Uh,
monthly subscription, or WOR for 20% off
point
your yearly
1.25680.
Let's get back to the episode.
Yeah, so I started
1.2.
4 or 5
Nigga, why does it do that one? Yo,
That's why I think that's one of the reasons why I have this
1,
eyes for signals, and I believe that everyone is
2, 5,
someone's selling signals or whatever. And also
680.
still I wouldn't advise anyone to do it. But yeah, ever since then, the focus was just become a professional trader. So that was the focus for the first 2 years. In the first year, after the first year, I decided to start documenting my journey in general because I wanted to show people the truth. I wanted to show people that listen, here's me working 2 jobs.
I probably should have waited for a rejection
Never went out one day.
instead of just putting it in right there, but that's okay. I ain't tripping.
Start trading. Never ate out. Never did anything that was spending money. I was spending £30 a month on everything else, on everything I needed, and I was making 1,000 by working at 2 jobs. So I wanted to show that, and that's what I did. Ever since the beginning of my journey, I documented a lot of it, from not being able to pay.
And if we do reject this and we start to break above these highs, I'm gonna move my real stop, like my complete stop up here. So all I'll be risking at that point is about $15 or some shit. Right now I'm risking about 30. I just want to see this real quick. 1.25743. Stop is 1.25680. Yeah, and then my first TP is still gonna be right there. That's kind of shit. I'll do my first TP up there for that one, I guess. I'll move my stop to break even on once we hit here. But I'm only gonna close 0.16 at this one for the first position. This is TP1 for the second position.
It's funny because everyone wants to know the secret of trading.
I'm gonna be a little irritated if we start consolidating, bro. God damn, that shit would be ass. But it's 8:30 now.
That you have every single day is going to dictate where you are going to be in 1 year's time. So whatever you do on a day-by-day basis is going to dictate where you are going to be.
I'm about to check my phone, see what time that shit say.
Dedicating 1 hour of your life to trading and 5 hours into gaming. Where do you think you are going to become more skillful? Is it in trading or is it in gaming? It's obviously gaming because your behavior is mostly focused on gaming in this case. And so I knew that from the get-go. And so my two focuses were work to make money.
Oh no, that's at 1 o'clock.
So I would wake up every single day, 4 or 5 a.m. because I knew I had to go to work at 7 a.m. I would do the back testing, do the forecasting, I would do everything. How many times did I get called on my job, looking at my phone by my manager? He would just look at me sideways. And yeah, it was just me staring at the charts for 4 years. I went through a lot of challenges. I went through a lot of communities, and eventually, then I found ICT. So after my third year, I started seeing signs of consistency. I had a consistent way of working at the market, but a lot of it was psychology also, which is a problem. A lot of people say that psychology is their problem. Probably not. You're probably just unprofitable. It's like you can't really judge your profitability, your psychology if you don't have a profitable edge. But for 4 years, every single year I was basically in a different trading strategy. I learned patterns, I learned raw price action, I learned SMC, I learned the 1 minute market structure, whatever it is, and then ICT. And with ICT, I became instantly profitable. So I started watching ICT's videos, and then I was profitable. And it sounds so weird, and I do use that.
I don't really like that 5-minute candle close.
As a title, the fact that I was instantly profitable with ICT. Why? Because it gets people to click.
I think my second position might get stopped out.
I say,
But if my second position gets stopped out, my whole thing probably gonna get stopped. I'm not even gonna lie to
I'm
y'all.
not a beginner getting into ICT or any type of strategy. I've done my dues. I've paid.
Cause I don't even see why we're back down here. I don't think we should be down here at all.
Negative months. I've had negative quarters. I had times where I thought I was going to give up. I had times where I thought, is this the journey that I am supposed to follow, or should I just do something else? And yet I stick to it consistently every single day, and then everything started.
This stop about to get hit right now.
Do you feel like, and yeah, there's no secret,
But if we do reject it, I would be very, very pleased. If not, if my first position gets stopped, we probably getting stopped, period. Like, we should not be down here, in my opinion, at all.
quite new going to ICT, and they wonder why they struggle. But versus you had this experience base beforehand. So then when watching ICT, it wasn't like it was all like fresh stuff. It was all just a new set of eyes on the same charts.
Yeah. Yeah, and I think that's why I always also said ICT is not.
Alright, let's get rid of that.
I don't think beginners should get into ICT because I would personally say that there is no real good foundation in ICT. So it's like either you have to sit through a lot of videos, which it's literally paying your dues. It's like a lot of people want the shortcut to ICT. A lot of people are like, what's the secret strategy that is going to make me profitable, wanting to become profitable in 2 months or 2 weeks? Not understanding that if you want to build a house, first you build a really solid foundation, have an understanding of what a candle is. You need to start with what a candle, what a pick, what a point, whatever it is. And then you build on top of that. You can't just straight up.
I think we might have just wanted to come down and sweep that area one more time.
It's too advanced.
So I just lost $10, which kind of sucks, bro. I'm gonna be real.
I wouldn't start
I kind of wish I didn't add a position in, but I'm still trying to learn how to scale in, so I'm cool. Just a little learning experience, but
I think that's
and I'm glad that's really why I moved my whole stop up there, cause I didn't know if we would come back down there or not. But now the fact that we did come back down there, I feel like I might get stopped. I might get stopped, to be real.
So they're racking up the costs. And I've always had this question very consistently within my journey. And it's like, for instance, is trading real? Can you actually make money from trading? So if someone was to ask you that, what would you say?
I would say the probability of you making money are as small as they tell you it is. Which means
most people will not be profitable. Because the reality is that on social media, what you see are a small percentage of people that make it. You don't see the people that failed 50 challenges and went bankrupt because they were on credit. You don't see the people that have tried for years and years and never became profitable. Because that doesn't go viral. It does not go viral. And even if it does, people just end up forgetting it. Right? So the people that you see, be it Kyle, Paladin, people we hang around with, Kyle, Paladin, Casper, Omar, everything, I would genuinely say that we are a small percentage of people. Now, you have to be naive in the sense of believing that you can also be this. But you need to understand the risk. Because the reality is...
It look like this bitch finna. God damn, this is shit I hate about niggas, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I'm watching this Words of Wisdom podcast right now. I don't know if y'all can hear this or not. But Brody just said, I don't know why this shit pisses me off. I mean, I do, but bro, basically, they talking about, can you make money from trading? And he said, your chances are as low as they say they are, basically. Like, most people will not be profitable. The people who are is a very, very small percentage. You don't see the people who fail, who lost all their money because it doesn't go viral, is what he's saying. Like, bro, I understand what he's saying, and he's valid in what he's saying. But nah, bro. Nah. The chances are completely up to you, bro. He said you gotta be naive enough to think that you're gonna be in the top percentage. Nigga, it's not about the percentages, bro. It's about how you put in the work, how you view yourself. Do you actually want this shit? Are you gonna keep going no matter what? Anybody can do this shit, bro. It's just about, are you gonna keep doing it? Are you gonna keep going even after you lose? Are you not gonna do no dumb shit like use your credit card for this shit and lose all your money? Cause yeah, shit like that's gonna fuck you up. But nigga, it's not about chances, bro. I don't know if that's what he's saying, bro, but I want y'all to know this shit is not about chance, bro. There's no such thing as chance in life. It's about how hard are you going, how much work are you putting in, and how long are you willing to commit to this. This shit really might take you a long time. Who knows? You don't know how long it's gonna take you, but bro, fuck that, bro. It ain't about no percentages, bro. The reason why most people fail is because most people aren't doing what they're supposed to be doing in order to make it. If you look at the people who are actually putting the work in, who are actually dedicating their lives to this shit, the chances of you making it are way fucking higher. And at the end of the day, it's just about, are you gonna quit or not? But look, you can't put in an hour a day and say, I'm never gonna quit, because you're never gonna make it. It's gonna take you like fucking 15 years or some shit. You gotta put in real work. And on top of that, you gotta say you're not gonna quit. Right? Not quitting is good. Like, never quitting is great, but you gotta put in the work behind it too. You can't just say, I'm never gonna quit, and then you look at the market every day, but you don't back test and you don't do nothing else. All you do is look at live data moving. You gotta study too. You gotta back test too. You gotta journal too. You gotta do all that shit. And now we starting to consolidate a little bit. I do want to walk away from the charts and just go do some other shit. Go back to sleep and some shit like that, but I don't know how to put in partials in this bitch. I'm gonna put in sell limits. But I don't want to put in the sell limit right here and then it hits it and then I can't move to break even. You feel me? So I might just wait for this to get hit, sell half, move stop to break even, and then put the limit order for 908, 6016, and 6138. So I'm probably just gonna wait for this TP to get hit or to get stopped. If I get stopped, I'm not taking another trade today. But again, we did not close below this low. So that's great. We just wicked it. So I'm thinking this was a stop hunt. And that's what I'm hoping this is.
limits what I'm able to say. Because every time I talk with a CEO, a company, whatever it is, and they're like, oh, here's the script. I'm like, no, it's the script. You either accept that I'm going to say what I'm going to say, or you don't. Most of them say, okay, then, no, right? Because they don't really want people to be sharing positives and negatives. I talked with some CEOs not long ago, and they were like, don't you think that your message is negative for us popcorn owners? Because I always tell them, I always say this in my videos. You watch all of my videos, and I always say this. Doesn't matter if I'm promoting a popcorn or whatever. I always say, if you are not profitable, don't go for profit.
Duh.
Because you will lose, and you will
Hell
be
yeah.
liquidity for the people that are profitable and that are going to win with popcorn. And they said, oh yeah, but maybe that reduces the number of customers that we are going to get. And I'm like, but it increases the number of people that come in with the right expectations. So what's the problem with popcorns now, or people, or popcorn customers?
I still got faith in this trade. I'm not gonna say I regret it, but I kinda don't like that I added a position where I did. But at the same time, I'm trying to learn how to scale in. You know, I'm still young at this shit. I'm still new to this shit. So I ain't really tripping.
Trading is a zero-sum game.
Yep.
You need to understand this. Trading brings nothing to society. It's a zero-sum game. If I win, someone else lost. I used to have this valid debate in my mind of, is trading moral? But then I was like, I've started reasoning with my head that, okay, if I'm making money, then I'm just taking from it. Okay.
Alright.
Then would not care at all.
Let's get ready.
It's like going into a jungle, a tiger attacking you, and you not wanting to attack it back because, hey, like it's his jungle. Like, no, you have to fight, right? So it's
Yeah, that was a stop hunt, it looks like. TP1 about to get hit.
Wild West, for example, most people's trading methods, right? And struggling to find a strategy. A lot of people obviously strategy hop. And you already mentioned that you went through actually three different strategies.
Point
You got
one,
Is there any advice
point
people out there
one,
who maybe find
six.
one or two things, either strategy hopping, they kind of
Hello.
find and hone in on one, and then two, if they're struggling to change strategy. Because I've had that before.
Why am I only up 0.3?
On something like
Why am I only up $33? Huh?
I just struggle to change.
yeah. There's a thought about this a lot because
I should be up like 40, bitch.
for different strategies, I was always like, I'm not going to be
It's okay though.
if I continue doing this. And so my suggestion for the people that are strategy hopping and everything is there's a difference between strategy hopping and getting to know yourself. Because let's say that the first strategy you go for,
We real close. I just want to press close, but
if you are the type of
I
person
need that shit to take it out. You feel me? I think we took this lower one out, but we need to take both out. Push, little bitch, push.
and that's why
Push.
a scalping strategy. When you try a scalping strategy,
There we
you
go.
are entering with 4 pip stops, which means that if the trade pulls back even 1% of your
Whoa.
discount, that's 25%
Whoa.
of your stop loss.
What the fuck?
And you're extremely stressed. Maybe that's not for you. That's exactly what happened to me.
Damn, what the hell, bro? That shit just made me mad, bro. I thought it was gonna sell 0.6 of this. Alright, how do I close? I don't want to close the whole thing though. Oh, okay, that's how you do it. Alright, cool. So we just learning this shit, man. We just learning this shit. Alright, thank God. Thank you. We just learning this shit, bro. We all good. We all good. We all good. Now I'm back up to where I was when I put this shit in the first time.
But with that came so much emotion that I thought something needs to change. And that's why I found
Alright.
And that's
1.569 That's gonna be my new stop. Bang. Now I'm gonna create a couple of sell limits. No, I can't even do no sell limits because it's gonna do what just happened right there and open a whole new position. So I'm just gonna sit here and wait. Man, we finally caught a dub, man. I feel great. I ain't gonna lie. I mean, not finally, because we've been caught a dub before this, but I do feel good. I'm trying to get these executions out of my shit, though.
Every single strategy I was in for at least 6 months. I did not change any. It was 1.5 years.
I can delete this, though.
Half a year, and then both half a year was SMC. So
Not much changes.
exactly.
Terminology.
Yeah.
I think it's very helpful. I think people out there do need to hear that it's okay to change, but when it makes sense, right? What and you're being intentful.
I'm about to just go to charts and I'm gonna open my open positions again. Oh, I guess it's just gonna take me here every time. I don't want to see this shit right here though, but y'all can look over here since my face cam in on. Y'all can see this shit over here.
When it comes to ICT traders, you see a lot of people arguing between them, right? You see like this is the best model, that's the best model. What would you say?
So yeah, I guess we just needed another stop hunt, which makes me very happy that I didn't put my stop right here, cause I was gonna do that at first, but I was like, nah, I can put it right here. I got enough, you know.
Is there anything in particular in terms of ICT fund?
But yeah, now my stop is at break even. So everything's in God's hands now. I'm about $4 up in profit now since I deposited this 2 bands.
The skill challenge is finally here. You choose how much drawdown you like. Take advantage of the skill.
I want to see us come back into here too, but I'm pretty sure.
the biggest foundation because
Yeah.
I went through.
What even is this?
I went through the cyber series. I went through basically everything ICT tells us to go through, and a lot of things did not resonate with me. So there's the commitment of traders. There is treasuries.
I don't want to see us tap this line, obviously, but I do want to see us respect this 5-minute fair value gap. This is kind of making me want to put my stop down here instead, and I might do that. No, fuck it. If I get stopped at break even, it's all good. I took my half profits, but I think I was only risking about $15 though, cause I'm up about 17 right now at TP1. So I wasn't risking the full 20, but it's all good. I'm just glad I know now. Don't press sell because it's just gonna open a sell position. That's like hedging. I don't fuck with that hedging shit. Think I lost an extra $2 off of that or some shit, bro.
I actually got into ICT because of Hannah. It was funny because she was the one that got me into my first
You
strategy.
just press close and it's gonna let you close half. I thought it was gonna make me close the full position, but yeah, this will come with learning the new platform. The shit I don't like again is I don't have I can't look at my phone and see this shit. I can't execute off my phone. I can't do all that shit I could do on MC4, which was way fucking easier than this shit in my opinion. And I gotta be on my laptop to trade, which I guess is cool. That's cool, but I like to manage my position on my phone while I go do some other shit. You know?
People have this idea that they're just going to be profitable because
But it's okay.
so accessible. Oh, I can just go on my phone, press buy or sell, and I'm supposed to be profitable. I look at some candles, whatever, this looks like it's gonna go up, I'll buy. And that's not it. There's so much that goes into trading, yet because it's so accessible, people make it want it to go easier than it actually is. Think of a college degree. 5, 6 if you want to become a master. If you want to do the masters, you literally have to do 2 or 3 more years. Think, just apply that into your trading. If you want the foundation, 3 years. If you want to become a master, either 2 or 3 more years. Before that, don't think you're gonna make it. And people hate me when I say this. People hate so much. They comment like, how dare you? I've been trading for a year and I'm profitable. And I'm like, hey, good to you. There are some people that maybe are profitable after a year. But ever since the beginning of the channel, the goal was realistic expectations.
Oh yeah, and also if y'all niggas is trying to only put a year in and y'all think y'all gonna be profitable, bro, just give it up, my nigga. Just give it up, bro. If you're not willing to put in at least 4 years into this shit, don't even try this shit, bro. Just go do some other shit, bro. Cause you don't want it for real. I literally want this shit so bad, I'm willing to do this for the rest of my life. Even if I was losing money, I love this shit, bro. Like, I actually love this shit. If you don't love this shit, then don't even fucking do it, bro. Cause you're not gonna make it. This shit is too hard. You're not gonna put in a year and think you're gonna be profitable. The only way you're gonna put in a year and be profitable is if you love this shit. You feel me? So it all come back down to it. You need to be willing to put in at least 4 years. If you put in 4 years and you don't make it, then it might not be for you, or you just, nah, fuck that. I literally just said the opposite of that. Fuck that. I don't got shit to do with it. Alright, now we in that 5-minute fair value gap. Please don't come back to the entry price. Please hit my TP2. It would be so nice of you. But if not, it's cool because I made money today. It's really that losing that $10 kind of pissed me off though, cause it's like, damn, I should have a little bit more. But it's all good. I won today's trade. So I'm done trading for today. I might go to sleep. I don't know. I might not. If we hit TP2, then I will have made about 40 bands. I said 40 bands. $40. I will have made about $40. I'm just trying to calculate. Why do I say that? Well, I'm just trying to calculate how many hours I would have been at work. So I could go into work at 8 a.m. So right now I would have made $16 at work, and I made $15 here. Actually, I don't know how much I made here. I gotta go check. I gotta go check on the history. Is it? Is there history on here?
Yeah, I have a very funny story that when I was 16,
It's not saying shit.
with 200 euros, and I was like, I want to invest in an ETF here, and the guy was super cool. He just pulled up his computer, pulled out an Excel sheet, and was like, this is how much money you have.
Oh, account statements.
This is the return you need to have in order to even.
Let's just go for the week.
Like 36% per year on an ETF, and I've always
Oh,
been
okay.
entrepreneurial, finance driven, etc. Because ever since young, this wasn't educated to me by my parents, but from social media. Because that's what happens. Like once your kid gets social media,
We about to get stopped at Breakeven.
social media, whatever he sees there, that's what's going to dictate his future.
Alright, we just got stopped at Breakeven.
Everything that is.
I lost $10 on this. Oh, this shit hurts. How much did I lose on this? I don't think I lost anything.
The goal was save as much as possible, don't spend a penny. That was the goal. Once I started trading with the signals.
Okay, where the fuck is my trade that I closed? Oh, okay, so I made $20.
I saw the charts on my phone, and I was either making or losing money.
Or maybe a little bit less.
And I was like, whatever is happening here, there's probably a way to be profitable. That's when I started learning. So that's when I started joining communities, etc., to learn how to trade. Because I understood, okay, this is an actual career. Like
This is running for the day.
because it was based on finances
Damn, bro. We literally tapped out. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool.
I was like, okay,
So how much did I make for that day? $8? Oh, that's ass. It's cause of this, bro. It's cause of this right here. It's all good, man. It's all good. It's really hurting my feelings, but it's okay.
I have great knowledge on the actual industry side of it.
Damn.
We see a lot of people still struggling to this day. It's always been struggling, still to this day. Struggle when it comes to challenge, right? Passing challenges, verification, opening their funding accounts. What advice could you give to them as someone who's not only obviously observed the space and sort of reviewed it, but obviously experienced it yourself?
It's gonna suck if this shit take off right here too, but
Yeah, so because I was always like
yeah, it looked like we just filled that shit.
that I passed the first FTMO challenge I did. It was a 10K challenge, so it wasn't a lot, and I never got a payout from it.
It look like we just filled that and we finna push back up. It's all good though.
And the reason for that is because I passed and I thought I was a goat. So what happens after? I did a 10K challenge. Let's go for 100.
Cool.
Let's go.
So that's the trade for today.
Lost that challenge.
Sadly, that scaling did not work out, and we ended up losing money. I mean, not losing money in total. We still profitable in the day, but we goddamn lost $10. Oh, it's all good. We're still a decent trade. I'm glad I took profits right here instead of up here, cause I was gonna take my profits up here, and I moved it down. But I am interested to see how this shit works, how this shit plays out. We're gonna do a charting session tonight, and we're gonna review it. So yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching. I'm finna get the fuck on, man. Short little video. You know what I'm saying, 100? I mean, an hour and 30 minutes. I'm finna go take a nap. I'm gonna catch y'all.